are aware of it, we have totally three types of STD. Okay, type 1, type 2, type 3. Okay, so now we can discuss about STD type 2. Okay, then we can discuss about type 1, type 3. Okay, so in type 2 we can maintain the new records information and historical information. So okay, you can forget about this definition like new records information and historical information. Just go through some example, then only you will get some overall picture about STD type 2. Okay, just come through the example, then only you will get some idea. See here, I have the example like I have the old data information and also new data information. So totally I have two input files, that is this is one input file and also this is one input file. This is having old information, old data information. This is having new data information. Okay, now come to here, I have two key fields. This is ID and name. This is employee ID and this is employee name. So these remaining four are like country, department, company and city are non-key fields. Okay, now first I would like to take the new records, only new records. See here how to gather the new records compared with to compare with old file and new file. So just compare the old file and new file to get the new records. See here 100, here there is 100, 101 there is 101. See here 100 employee ID 100 and employee ID 101 is already there in the old file. So only new records are 106 and 107. See here there is no 106 and 107 in the old input file. So these two are new records from new input file. Okay, so these two records are the new records. These two records are new records from new input file. Now I would like to take the old records from old file. So I mean the deleted records, I mean non-matched records. These these four records are non-matched records. See here 101, 101, 101 and 100 and 101, those two are matched records here. So only four, 102, 103, 104, 105 is the non-matched records. So those are the old records are deleted record. You can call it anything. Old records are deleted record. So what are the matched records from these both the input file? See here 101, 100 is matched record and also 101 is also matched records. Then see here total records, total matched records is 100, this one. Okay, 100 again 101, 101, 101. So totally we have 6 records from the both the input files. These are the matched records. You can compare here. See here this is the matched records. Okay, again match this record, match record. See here these are because both the input file, both the key fields are same, 100 and Srinu. See here now 101 Sridhar. See 101 Sridhar, 101 Sridhar, 101 Sridhar, 101 Sridhar. So both the key files are same. So totally we are getting the 6 records when you are joining these two input files. So these are the match records. Here we can find out the you can listen carefully here. You can observe one point here. See here these two are key fields and these remaining four are non-key fields. See here this is the exact match records. 100 Srinu India IT TCS Hyderabad. See here 100 Srinu India IT TCS Hyderabad. So this is exact match records because key fields are matched here and also non-key fields are matched here. Whereas come to second field, second record, see here key fields are matched but non-key fields are not matched. See here these are the non-key fields but not matched. So these fields are changed. This record is called as changed record. Okay, so first I will take exact match record. Okay, exact match record or not changed record. What are the non-changed records from both the input files? This record is not changed. This is the exact record. See here 100 Srinu India and IT TCS and Hyderabad. So both the input records are same. So there is no match here. There is no change here. Okay, and also again 100 Srinu, but this location is different, country is different, company is different, and location is different. I mean city is different. So this is not a exact record or not change record. Again come to here 101 Sridhar USA IT CTS California. See here 101 Sridhar USA IT CTS California. So this is exact match record. I mean not change record. So totally we have how many records we have totally not match record. I mean not change records. Totally we have 2 records. See here this record is changed. This record is changed. This record is changed. These are new records and also remaining these 4 are old records. Okay, so because Sridhar went to India and changed the comparison to Sintel, again he changed to Accenture location, Accenture company, and location is Chennai. Again he moved to Bangalore location. Again he moved to Pune location. These 4 are Sridhar having these 4 records. This is called historical information because he moved to different locations. Okay, so but you should need to mention these 4 records information. Okay, so come to the point here. This is the exact match record 100 seen here 101 Sridhar USA. See here also this is the exact match record. So totally how many records from both the input files? We have totally 2 records. These are not changed or see here not changed or exact match records. These are not changed exact match records. See here these 2. Again now we can take the change records. What are the change records? Change records is first this one record. First to take the change record from input file old data and new data. See here change records from old input file, change records from new input file. Take from old input file. Is there any change record here? Any change record here? See here. There is no change record because this is exact match record and also this is exact match record. Some say you can copy one more record if you want to for better understanding. Just copy one more record here. 101 and Sridhar and location you can change some location to India. Okay, and location to Chennai or Mumbai. So this is called change record from the input file 1. Okay, you can copy this one. So mention here change records from old input file. Okay, so from this file this is one change record and remaining these 3 are change records. Okay, copy these 4 records. These 3 also change records. So till now we have gathered new records information and old and deleted records information, match records information based on the key and the non-key. Right? Match records in the sense the records are matched based on the key and non-key. Okay, here exact match records in the sense with the match records based on the key and non-key because the records are matched based on the key and non-key. Here these records are matched because these records match records in the sense it is having records are matched based on the key and non-key and also some based on the records are matched based on the key, but here records are not matched based on the non-key. So these are change records. So match records having match records information and change records information. So here I am gathering one more file like I am taking change records information from old input file, change records from input file, change records information from new file. So totally I have taken example as a 6 fields. I am concentration on the 6 outputs. New records information, deleted records information, match records information, exact records, not change records. Exact records information not changed. Change records from old input file and change records from new input file. Now please have a look on the graph now. See here. here take the two input files. Okay, this is all old file. Okay, let's say this is the old file, this is called new file. Okay, I have the two input files. It is having the old data information, old data information. It is having new information. Now we can join this data. Okay, take the two output files. See here, Anuj port 0, Anuj port 1. See here. So this is output. This is the match records. Match records in the sense it is having the match records and also changed records. Both the records. This is the information it is having. Join output having these records. Match records and also change records. These are the change records. Okay. So connect this output to reformat component now. See here. Why I am connecting, I will explain you. See here, now this is called deleted records or old records. Deleted information. This is the new information. Or say new file or new records. See here, unusual port 0 means we are getting we are getting the records from old input file, and match records will go to here and non-match records will come to here. So we will get the delete information from unusual port 0, we will get the new information from unusual 1. So these are the match records which are having the match records and also change records. Now I would like to have the only exact records. See here, to get the exact records, I am writing the condition like this. I am just comparing. See here, if country from old file and country from new file, if both are matches, okay, if both are matches, see, if country is India from old data and country from India from new file, both are same. Okay, both are same. Just pass the output. Just pass these two data to output, and also compare all the remaining fields, non-key fields also. Non-key fields. Department IT same, and TCS same, and Hyderabad is same. So compare these 4 non-key fields and compare these 4 non-key fields from input file 1, input file 2. Okay, like this I am writing the condition here. See here. See here. See, country from old file, country from new file. Now then both are same. Then take the country from old data. Okay. Otherwise, force the error. Old and new values are different. Like this, you can write the logic for remaining fields also. Department, company, city. Okay. So I have written the logic in the reformat. Now, if condition is true, okay, if condition is true, then 1 second. See here, if condition is true, then it will go to output here. I mean only match records, exact match records. Okay, not changed. Okay, not changed records. Exact match records in the sense this record is matched, this record is matched, this ID is matched, ID is matched, TCS is matched, TCS is matched, Hyderabad matched and Hyderabad matched. But what are the change records? These are the change records based on the non-key field. USA changed, Dallas changed, IBM IT USA. These are the non-key fields. But key fields is matched, but non-key fields are not matched. See here, I am just producing output exact match records. These are the exact match record. See here, this is the exact match record based on the key and non-key values also. See here. So these 2 records will go to output. Only these 2 records will go to these output. So I am taking one more output file here. See here, I am taking one more output file. So in this output, these are the not change records. Not change records. So we will get these two records. These two records. Exact match records we will get here. Okay. Now this is very important. Please concentration here. So now what about the change records? Not change records or exact match records will go to here. What about the change records? The change records will come to here, because whenever the condition is fail, we will get the match non change records to reject port. So we will get the change records through the reject port. So now we are getting the reject ports from here. Now we are getting the change records from here. So right, we are getting the change records from here. So now I am taking two copies from by using the replicate component. Okay. Now I am taking two copies from replicate and assigning to reformat, because to take the change records from old file to take the change records from new file, I am taking the two reformat components. See here. Take the output file here. And take the one more output file here. These are the change records. Change records from old file. Okay. Okay. This is the change records from new file. Okay. So from here we are getting the not change records, exact match records. From here we are getting the change records. So I am taking the two copies from by using replicate component. Okay, and assigning to reformat to get the change records from old input file, and also to get the change records from the new input file. Okay. So what the condition you should need to write here? So here you write the condition, just comparing. If here both are equal, now write the logic like not equal. Okay, here write the logic like not equal. Okay, write the logic like not equal, then you will get the not equal records. Not equal records. So if condition is not equal, see here, country from old file, country from new file, if both are not equal, then you are taking the country information. I mean, not equal means these records are changed. So you are taking the change records from the country old file. See here, old. So you are taking country and department and company city from old output file, because these values are changed. Okay, the two key fields are changed. The two key fields are not changed. Just you are taking the information from input, because these two are key fields. We are just concentration on the non-key fields. Okay, so if non-key fields are changed, just take the information from old file. So what about the new file? Okay, now pending is new file. I have written the logic here. What about the new file? So for this, just assign input to output. Just assign the logic like this. Okay, so just take the information from new file. Here, see here, I am just assigning information from new file. Okay. Okay, this is called SCD type 2. Okay, because we are gathering delete information, new file, new information, new records and deleted records, and also not change records, I mean exact records. Here we are gathering change records. Okay, we are gathering change records. Change records in the means, what are the change records? These are the change records. He see here, these three are change records because initially he is located in USA and California city, and again he moved to India and moved to Chennai location. Again he moved to Bangalore location, and also he moved to Pune location. And company also is Intel and Accenture. So these are the change records. Change records in the means this is called historical information. Okay. So we are by using SCD type we are gathering the change records in the sense historical information and also new records information and also deleted records, old record information. What are the match records? Exact match records. Okay, not change records or changed records. Okay, these all the records information we are gathering in the SCD type 2. Okay, whereas in the SCD type 1, just if we have the record like see the this person is located in Canfield location, again you move to Chennai location, this record is overwritten by this record. So we will maintain only this record information. Again you move to Bangalore location, for example, let's assume again you move to Bangalore location, this Chennai record will be overwritten by the Bangalore location. So we will have the only Bangalore location information, latest record information. Okay, so in SCD type 1 we will get the only latest record information. First suppose we will move to Pune location. These Bangalore record will be overwritten by Pune location. So we will be having the only Pune location information. This is called SCD type 1. What about SCD type 3? We will maintain only previous record and current record information. See, initially staying in California, again you move to Chennai. So we will maintain only this California and Chennai. So again you move to from Chennai to Bangalore. So we will maintain only Chennai and Bangalore information. The remaining California information will be deleted. So we will maintain only Chennai and Bangalore previous record and current record information. Again you move to Pune location. Now we will maintain only Bangalore and Pune location information. The remaining Chennai and California location information will be deleted. So we will maintain only previous record and current record. That is called Bangalore and Pune location. Bangalore and Pune location details will be maintaining in the SCD type 3. Okay, in SCD type 3 we will maintain only previous and current record information. Okay, whereas in SCD type 2 we will maintain all the historical information and also new records information, whatever the new records from the new input file. Okay, this is called SCD type 2. Okay, do you have any queries in the do you have any queries in these files, new records and old file and match records, not change records? Okay, change records. Okay, so these are the change records from the both input file. These are not changed from both the input files. These are not changed. Okay, exact. These are the match records. Match records in the sense exact match records and also change records. These are match records in the sense it is including match records and change records. See here, this is the key field. This record is matched based on the key and non-key also. But this record is matched based on the key, but not matched based on the non-key. These four are non-key fields, but these now four fields are not matched. See here. So these match record information having all the match records information and also change records information also. Okay, that is main we should need to observe here. Okay. So in SCD type 2 we will maintain new records information, old records information and change records information. Okay, we should always need to concentration on the new records information, deleted record information, change records information from the both the old file and new file. Okay, this is called SCD2 type 2. Okay, do you have any queries? I hope you enjoyed this video, you understood this video. Still you have any questions or queries, please post the comments in the comment section. Definitely I will reach you and I will reply to you. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel to get the latest videos. Still we are going to uploading more videos from this channel. Okay, thank you guys, thank you.